Okay, it's 2 2:35 on the PM side, coming to you live from Krispy Kreme here in Leyte, sweet Savannah, GA. Very briefly on this Tuesday, the Green Up America Day, Quicken Up America Day, Renew Up America Day. I am officially starting what I call nuts and bolts in Beulahville, USA. Nuts and bolts in Beulahville, USA. I'll tell you more about this later on. I just kind of wanted to give birth to this into the sensory realm. But it's all about two becoming one, cultivating a one up, WONONE, consciousness mentality. In heavenly places, there is nothing but oneness. And part of marriage, the word Beulah means married. See Isaiah chapter 62 verse 4. And we're going to look at the nuts and bolts of relationship, particularly focusing on marriage. Of course, our stellar Celestic book is the Bible. Also, two books by Dr. Stephen E. Jones. One is, it's about how to hear the voice of God. I might not be 100% correct with this title. I'll get back to you on this. And the other book by Dr. Jones is it's a book about two kinds of marriage: the old covenant marriage and a new covenant marriage. And also, there's a book. I was at a friend's apartment and I was introduced to this book probably back in the 80s. It's by Barbara DeAngelis, How to Make Love All the Time. Probably the next time around, I'm going to share a piece in which I call My Sister, My Spouse. I perceive that Coach Abba, the highest energy, is going to use me to knit hearts together, give birth to great and sunny marriages. I look forward to it. This is Minister James Lee Frazier Jr., aka Sir D.P.P. Deptness III, the Celeste Cracker. Sir D.P.P. Deptness III, the Celestic Nerve. And as Poker the Pig would say, a big, that's all, folks. Love y'all. Bye-bye.